Takeshi, I'm here to see Sato.
Wait here. He'll see you. Choose your words wisely.
Sit.
Sato-san, please, I just need more...
Time? Time is luck. Are you lucky, boy?
It really wasn't my fault.
You sound like your father.
You knew my father?
Briefly. He thought the world owed him as well. He was mistaken.
What if I'm like him? What if I just don't have what it takes?
Time will tell.
But I really want this.
The world is indifferent to your wants, boy. Have you developed the skills to deserve what you want?
Not yet. I thought there was a quicker way, a shortcut.
Practice is the only shortcut.
I know this is my responsibility. How can I make things right?
You failed because you quit when things got hard.
Things didn't quite go to plan.
Failure's part of the game. It's not personal. And don't be afraid to learn in the shallows. Ignore those who laugh at you from the bank, but do not have the courage to get wet.
I just need that first big win.
You need your first small win. Small wins lead to more action, and step by step we get ahead. My grandfather once told me,
if you can take one step, you can take two. If you can take 2 steps, you can take 10. If you can take 10 steps, you can take 10,000.
Maybe today is your lucky day. Go here. Tell him I sent you. You watch, you listen, learn the rules of the game, and pay off your debt to this family.
Thank you, Sato-san. I won't forget this.
You won't forget. Keep an eye on him. He puts meat on our plate. Or he feeds the dogs.